Hello students, welcome in 7th maths class. Today we are going to learn some geometrical constructions. 6th standard we have learnt about the line segment, angle bisector, etc. We measure angle in degrees. If angle ABC measures 40 degrees, we write it as measure angle ABC equal to 40 degrees. Let's draw angle bisector. Angle ABC of 40 degrees is drawn here. Ray BP is the angle bisector. Let's check whether the two parts of angle ABC are equal or not. Let's draw perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Take segment PS of any length. Take distance more than half approximately in compass and draw arcs upside and downside of the segment. Taking center P and Q, we'll get 2 points. Join the 2 points and we'll get perpendicular bisector. The property of the angle bisectors of a triangle. Let's draw any triangle ABC. Only two bisectors are drawn, then also we will get the point, but here three angle bisectors are drawn. Extend the bisectors if necessary so that they can intersect one another. You will find that these three bisectors pass through the same point, that is, they are concurrent. Name the point of concurrence I. Draw perpendiculars IA, IQ and IR as shown in the figure. Check whether the distances IP, IQ and IR are equal. You will find IP, IQ equal to IR. So we can draw a circle there. Property of perpendicular bisectors of sides of a triangle. Let's draw acute angle triangle XYZ. Use ruler to draw acute angle triangle. Draw its perpendicular bisectors. The three bisectors are concurrent. They pass through the same point. Name the point of concurrence C. The point C is equidistant from points X, Y and Z. So draw the circle taking radius CA. We can draw the perpendicular bisectors for obtuse angled triangle. We will find the place of point of concurrence of perpendicular bisectors in obtuse angle triangle. In acute angle triangle, it was inside the triangle, in the interior of triangle. Now, in obtuse angle triangle, the point of concurrence lies outside the circle. Point C is outside this triangle. The circle passing through the three vertices is called as circumcircle. Now we will find the place of circumcenter in case of right angled triangle. Triangle ABC is drawn here, which is right angled triangle. Draw its perpendicular bisectors. The three perpendicular bisectors are meeting in a point on hypotenuse. So in right angled triangle, the circumcenter is on the hypotenuse. So today we learned that the angle bisectors of a triangle are concurrent. Their point of concurrence is called the incenter and is shown by the letter I. We also learned that the perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle are concurrent. Their point of concurrence is called the circumcenter and is shown by the letter C.